So I woke up this morning feeling pretty tired, yeah, feeling like I wasn't in the mood to do all this, yeah. And then I was kind of like going through everything. I'm not finished yet, but I knew this piece of the film needed more something to lighten it up. So yeah, let's just ignore all that. And so I was just thinking like, what song could go here? And I had one in my head, and it was ding 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 ding. And I found that it was this one. And I kind of played it over, and yeah, I realized it works really really well here. Like it's got this extra little like that like high pitched shit. It really like oh shit, what's the word? Foreshadows like what I'm about to say about COVID here. And I think this is really gonna add some good energy here because that foreshadows really really nicely. And then we've got this whole period here where I'm just talking about random shit, and then we get on COVID. So I think that's gonna work really really well. I just feel like shit, you know, and then I do this and I get the shit because of how like good it felt to experience this. But yeah, I'm gonna go make it work now. But that's just why I love filmmaking.